Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is we're gonna trim down our work area. So we're just working with the Hawaiian part of our introduction. So one of the things I didn't do is I didn't name my I didn't name my media. If I double click on it, you'll see it'll pull it up here in the composition. But what I want to do is I want to drag this down into my timeline. So I'm dragging it down here into my timeline. Don't even worry about the position in the composition because, like I told you earlier, this is the Photoshop of video editing. So we're gonna be layering different layers over this. So what I look like doesn't matter. That's why I don't care. Like, I look awful. No big deal. So then what you're going to do is you're going to press LL on your keyboard, and you'll see what that does is it brings up this waveform well, not your speaking, but my speaking. When you bring it up, you'll be able to see the waveform so you can see when you're speaking. So you can play this a couple of ways. The first thing that you can do is press the space bar. Aloha o elen koʻu inoa. So you'll see that my playhead started playing this way. Now the other thing I can do is, well, what I want to do is I only want to work with the Hawaiian for this part of this project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this little area here, and notice when I bring it down, I'm going to put it in between these waveforms. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to composition, and I'm going to say trim comp to work area. So what I did was I created a work area that I'm gonna work with. So here we go, trim it. And so now you'll see that I have those waveforms. So that's all you're gonna do. And look at me, I look even better.